Very good morning, my students. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher, and we are discussing chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progression. And this is third part of this chapter. In the last classes, we have discussed about the sequence and series, the difference between sequence and series, and progression and sequence. And then we have discussed about what is the AP, that is arithmetic progression. And in this we have also discussed about common difference. The common difference is the difference between two consecutive terms, that is A2 minus A1. This is D, that is common difference, difference between two consecutive terms. And the general formula for the common difference will be an minus 1, means nth term minus n minus 1 term. For example, D, that is A7 minus A6, means 7th term, then 7 minus 1, 6th term. This is common difference. Now, today we will discuss about nth term. What is nth term? Now, if I have an AP, that is A1, A2, A3, A4 are in AP. Now this A1 is my first term, and A1 and is also written as A, and the common difference is denoted by this small d. Then we can say that A2, that is the second term, will be first term plus common difference, that is D. So A2 will be A1 plus D, and A1 is represented by A. So A2 will be A plus D. And now we can also write this as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Then the third term will be A2 plus D. Now A2 is A plus D and plus D. This will become A plus 2D. Now we can write this as 3 minus 1. So A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Now the fourth term will be A4 equals A3 plus D, because the common difference will be the difference between two consecutive terms, means D will be A4 minus A3. From this A4 will be A3 plus D. Now A plus 3D. We can write this as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So from this thing we conclude that if we want to find nth term, then there will be A, and this is, for example, we are finding here fourth term, then we write here 4 minus 1. In the general formula, if we are finding n term, then this will be n minus 1. So this is the formula. Nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. D is your common difference and A is your first term of the AP, and nth term an is known as nth term, means nth term. Now this is general formula. Our first question of exercise 5.2 is, we have given A, D, N, find nth term, means n is 8. So in the first part of first question we have to find nth term, that is 8th term. Here A is 7, D is 3 and n is 8. Now nth term will be, the formula will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Now n is 8, so A8 will be A plus n is 8 minus 1 into D. Now substitute the values in this. A8 equals A, that is 7 plus 8 minus 1, that is 7 into D. Here the D is 3. So this will become 7 plus 21 equals 28. So this will be your answer. Now in the second part, we have given that the A is minus 18. In this, A is minus 18 and we have to calculate D, and N is given 10 and nth term is given as 0. Now substitute in the formula, that is nth term equals A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 0, A is minus 18 and plus n is 10 minus 1 into D, and we have to find the value of D. Now minus 18 will be plus 18 equals 10 minus 1, 9D, and on solving D will be 18 divided by 9, that is 2. So this is the common difference, that is 2. 2 is your answer. Similarly, you can solve the third and fourth and fifth part. Now the second question is, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of AP this. And in this question we have given an AP whose first term is 10 and second term is 7, third term is 4, and we have to find the 30th term. First of all, write AP. Here the AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on. So first term A, that is 10, and D will be A2 minus A1. D will be A2 minus A1. Now student, formula जरूर लिखना है हर एक पार्ट का. Here that D is A2 minus A1, and you know that second term is 7 minus first term, that is 10, and the answer will be minus 3. So this is our common difference D, and now N is given 30. So find 30th term, that is A30. What is the formula of nth term? That is A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we are finding A30, so the A30th will be A, that is 10 plus N, that is 30 minus 1 into D. Here the D is minus 3. Solve. This will become 10 plus 29 into minus 3. A 30th term is 10 plus 29 into minus 3. Now solve this. This will become 10 plus 33 is 90 and minus 3 means this will become minus 87. आपको कैलकुलेशन ऐसे ही करनी है, आपको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना. आपको क्या करना है, 30th into 3 90 minus 3, because we can write 29 as 30 minus 1 into 3. This will become 90 minus 3. So this is 87. This is 87. So minus 87, and this will become minus 77. This is answer. So 30th term will be minus 77, and this is our C. Students, from these information we have find that if we have to find A30, this is only for MCQ type question. Then we not write the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. We simply write a plus, that is 29d, because n minus 1 means 30 minus 1 into d, that is 29d. For NTSC or any competitive exam, and for your MCQ that will come in your final exam, we simply solve this by using a plus 29d. Now the next question is third. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. The first part is 2. Here the box that we have to find, and here this is 26. Now let the missing term be x. So now you know that 2x and 26. These three terms are in AP, and according to AP the common difference will be same. So the common difference is x minus 2 should be equal to 26 minus x. And now solve this. This will become 2x equals 28 and x will be 14. That we have to find. This is our answer. Now in third question, here we have given two blanks. So how we will find this? Now this is A, and this is fourth term, that is A4. You will use A4 equals 9.5 and A5. Then you will find D by using the formula A4 equals A plus n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 into D. You will substitute the values here and find the value of D, and then complete this by adding D here. You will find the first term, and then adding D in this you will find this term. Find the number in each of the following APs. Find the number of terms. Means number of term means we have to find n, because n denotes number of terms in an AP. Number of terms. So in the first part, A is given 7, and for D we will use A2 minus A1. For D we will use A2 minus A1. Here D is 13 minus A1, that is 7. So D will be 6, and the last term, that is nth term, because nth term is also denoted by L, that is the last term. Here the last term is 205, and now substitute in the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into D. Now an is 205 equals a, here a is 7 plus n minus 1 into D. The D is 6. Now 205 minus 7 equals 6n minus 6. This will become 198 plus 6 equals 6n. Now substitute. Now solve this. You will get 204 equals 6n, and n will be 204 divided by 6, and this will be 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 24. 34 will be answer. So here n is 34. First of all, write A and then write D. Find out D by using A2 minus A1, and this is nth term. So use formula nth term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.